Hey guys, this is a tutorial over the trick you just saw, or you may already know of, known as the Shortstop, created by Slash and Cut. And I was in trouble with this trick. It's not a very naturally flowing trick for me, at least. So I figured if I made a tutorial on it, that I could help some people out. Because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's kind of like, whoa. It's a momentum-based trick, and as you can see in the slow mo, it's kind of there's some timing issues. So I'll go over all that in a second. And at the end of the video, I'll have slow mo breakdown kind of thing. So you can wait for that if that'll help you. But let's get right into it. So you start out forward grip position, by handle towards the sky, and you're going to initiate a reverse Y2K, releasing the safe handle, going around your thumb. What you're going to do from here is you're going to bring your middle finger up and pinch the safe handle. And that's the first hard part for me. So you get to that point and you allow the momentum to bring it over. Then what's going to happen is this is going to roll over your middle finger, and I kind of think of it as if it's going to get caught right in that little notch with your thumb and index finger, and the momentum is going to bring the safe handle up. So I'll go through that again. So you're going to go up in this position, and then from here you're swinging it up around your middle finger and catching it right in that slot. So the way I learned it is I broke it down into two parts. This part, so I got to this position, and I just kept trying to roll it over the middle finger and having roll around and then catching it here and coming up. And a lot of times you'll do it, you'll get to this fine, and you'll come up and you'll catch the whole part, and this can't come up because the blade's caught. And you just have to allow it time for that to pass and then to grip with your thumb. So you break it down into the first roll over the thumb, catch here, let this come down, and then once you get that done good, then you can start trying to add, then you want to learn the second part, catching it here, and then eventually try to put it all together and get the full move like so. So again, release this, goes round the thumb, reverse Y2K, bring your middle finger up, catch the safe handle, allow the momentum to carry it around your middle finger, and allowing the blade to pass before catching it with your thumb, and the momentum should bring the safe handle up. So hope this helps you guys out. Hope you get the shortstop down and can put it in your combos, guys. Thanks for watching.